Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. In this tutorial we are going to draw this elevation derived from this simple floor plan. And in order to do that, I would like us to first of all go to the layers and we change the color. Okay, let's change the color. Let's take yellow for now. Then you go up here to the drawing lines. We drop down. Then let's take construction line. We take the construction line. Let's start from the first point here. Okay, because they are running lines. Okay, there we are. Then let's go to copy tool. We go to the copy tool, select, press enter, then you copy. To click, you copy and place at the beginning of each opening. Okay, you place here, you place here, you place here, 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 and at this end. Okay, there we have. Okay, they are infinite lines. Okay, they are infinite line. They run to infinity. Okay, let's go back to the layers and change the color of the line. Let's take white. Okay, then you go to line command. Then let's cross it somewhere here. Random crossing. Okay, that's the construction line, the baseline. Okay, the first thing we want to do here is we like to first of all start with these columns. Okay, let's start with the columns. Okay, there we are. And the column measures 20. Okay, 20 centimeters. That's 0.2. So we'll go to line command. We'll make a random height here. Let's drop it somewhere here. Enter. Then we'll go to offset. Offset. Then we should put an offset distance of 0.2. Enter. Then let's select and make an offset here of 0.2. Good. The second thing we want to draw here is the column base that measures 20 by 40. Okay, so let's go back to our drawing. We go again to offset. Let's put 10 on either side. Okay, to extend it to 40. 0.1. Enter. Offset right and offset left. And the height of the column base, it's going to be 20. So we'll go back to offset and make an offset distance of 20. Enter. Take it upward. Alright, so now let's go to the trim tool. Go to the trim tool, then press enter. Let's trim this line. Okay, we trim this line, then we trim here, we trim here, and we trim this way. Okay, then we trim in here, then we trim here. We are not going to trim this construction line. Okay, it's going to be there. Good. This column base is on either side, up and down. So we're going to make a mirror at a distance of 2.8, where a 20 centimeters beam is going to run over the building to make it 3 meters. Okay, so we go to, and the center of 2.8. Let's look for the center. We'll go to the line command, then we make a distance of 1.4. enter. Then let's just cross it for construction purpose. Later we're going to, okay, fine. We go now to mirror. Okay, we mirror select this column setting, then you press enter. Then let's go to the midpoint. Okay, there we have our mirror image. Then now we can now delete this line. Okay, we can now delete these lines because they were just for construction purpose. The distance between these two columns is going to be 2.5. so what do? There we are. So we're going to make a mirror image of this column. Okay, so let's first of all find the midpoint of this column. We go to line command. Let's find the midpoint. The midpoint of 2.5 is going to be 1.25. okay, we enter 1.25. here we are. Okay, construction lines. Then we go to mirror, then let's cross select. Okay, we cross select, enter, then we come to the midpoint. Okay, there we are. Then we find the next midpoint at 1.25. enter. There we are. Then we go to mirror. Let's cross window select. Okay, enter. There we are. Let's now delete the lines we don't need. So these lines we don't need. Okay, from here let's go down and delete these other unnecessary construction lines. Okay, this one we don't need. Then here, this one we don't need. This one we don't. Okay, this one we don't need. Okay, delete. So the distance between this column and the last column here is 7.1. So let's find the midpoint of 7.1. Forgot to delete this one. We go to line command. Then here we are. Let's polar track. Then the midpoint of 7.1 is 3.55. 3.55. Enter. There we are. Then let's click there. Escape. Then we go now to mirror. Then cross window select. Enter. There we are. Okay, we have it like that. So now let's trim the lines. Let's delete the lines that we don't need. Now all of these lines we don't need them. Let's randomly draw a line here to trim these long lines. Okay, we'll draw. Then we'll go to trim tool. Let's trim all of this. Enter. Okay, we trim all. So the next thing we're going to do now is we go back to the line. Okay, then let's cross this line here right to this end. Okay, then we take it up by 0.1. okay, 10 for the half beam. 0.1, enter. Then we extend it this way. The distance from the roof end to the wall is 50. Okay, that's 0.5 meters. So we type in 0.5, enter. Then we take it up. The fascia board, it's gonna be 20. That's 0.2, enter. Then we run it across. Okay, let's run it across. Then here, let's find this intersection point here. Okay, there we are. From here now we type in again 0.5, enter. We turn it down to 20.2, enter. Then let's find the intersection point somewhere in here. Then there we are. Okay, this is what we got. Let's now go to the trim tool. The trim here, here. Let's trim all the unnecessary. Trim here, here, and we delete this line. Okay, delete this line. Good. The next thing we're going to do is to draw this roof. Okay, we're going to draw this roof. So we start from here. Okay, we go to the line command. Then let's come here. We click here. The inclination of the roof is 30. So make sure you activate your angles at 30 degree, or you type in 30. This is 30. You bring it right up here and click somewhere there. Okay, then we go to offset and make an offset distance here of 10. That's 0.1 for the ridge cover. Enter. Offset inward, press escape. Then this line, we go to the line. Then let's tag this other line. Remember, it's part of the roof, is the fascia board. Let's click it here at this end. Okay, here we are. What is the next thing? We have to trim. Here. Let's go to the trim tool, enter, trim here and here. Very good. We're gonna do a mirror image of these two lines. So let's first of all look for the midpoint. Go to offset 0.1, enter, inward, then escape, and we'll go to mirror. This one, select, enter. Here we have our mirror image here. Okay, next thing, we trim. Go to trim tool, enter, trim here. Okay, then we trim here, and here. Escape. Then let's go back to line command. Then we add a line here. Good.